Hello, Facebook. You guys like my shirt today? I made it. Okay, yeah, so the wig that I have on today has been highly requested. This is wig number 541, a jet black deep body wave with bangs, obviously. And she is full lace, so you can, of course, part her there. This is the 22 inch with a little bit of bangs and body. Yeah, she's available at magichaircompany.com. This is wig number 541. The wig I am styling today is wig number 252. So a client brought this wig back and she wanted us to change the part. So I'm changing the part for her. This is wig number 252, a 12 inch silky straight. And I'm just changing the part. So a lot of times people ask, oh, can you change the part in a front lace wig? Yes, you absolutely can if the wig is from us, because our wigs have up to 6 inches of free parting space in the front. So you see here, I'm just parting it over like so. And I'm just going to press the part out for her. So the easiest way to change the part on a straight wig is either while the wig is wet or with the back of a heating tool. So because she needs it in the morning and she just dropped it off now, I am going to do it with the back of a heating tool. And this wig is clean. We just washed it for her. She's probably been wearing this wig for about 3 months now. This is wig number 252. We at Magic Hair Company do freestyling. So if you want us to cut any layers or add bangs or any styling things like that, we do not charge additional for that. We also do custom coloring here in store. Check out our website, magichaircompany.com, and there you will find all of our in-stock wigs. So right now I'm just cleaning up the part. Sorry about the angle, guys. Let me see if I can turn this around and part it. How's everybody doing? Don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter. You can subscribe to our newsletter via our website, magichaircompany.com. Click the subscribe to newsletter link, and we're having quite a few giveaways because we have such a large stock of wigs right now. We're giving away wigs. So our first giveaway I will announce in a little over 2 weeks, and the instructions will be in our newsletter. So definitely go subscribe to our newsletter. Our current hours are Wednesday through Saturday, 11 to 6 p.m. Text us to make an appointment or call and let us know you're on the way. We are here Wednesday through Saturday, 11 to 6 p.m. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but the wig that I have on, the jet black 22 inch, is jet black. And then this wig right here is natural 1B. So this is natural 1B, and the hair I have on is jet black. I don't know if you guys can pick up that color difference on camera, but I did want to point that out. This is jet black, this is 1B. Okay, so I'm cleaning up this part here, and then I'm going to set it with a heating tool, because if you don't set it, it's just going to keep like falling all over the place. So we will definitely set this part for her. Check out our Friday 3 p.m. live show. We have that here on Instagram and Facebook, where we showcase a lot of the different wigs that we have in store. This is my styling tool of choice. Hi, everybody. We're located here in Culver City, California. I've been here almost 8 years now. We are your custom glueless, full lace and front lace wig specialist. We do custom coloring in store. We'll style your wig for you. Anything you need associated with getting your wig done. So I'm just trying to change the part here. Our wigs are glueless, so you do not require gluing or sewing down your wig. Hi. You don't have to glue it down or sew it down. You can if you'd like, but you do not have to glue or sew down your wig. It is nice and secure. We're located in Culver City. It's in LA County. We're like 10 miles from LAX, if that helps. So I am just kind of, I'm using the sides of the heating tool to really crease this part out here. This is unit number 252. This is our inside front lace cap construction. As you see, we have a scalp illusion here, which is not transparent. It's only transparent because of all this light, but it's really not transparent. We have an adjustable band here. You can adjust it and remove it. And this is standard on all of our caps. There's a comb back here, as well as 2 adjustable hooks there as well. So now I'm going to press this part a little bit harder. And I put just a drop of some hair oil. What is it? Some heat protectant. Not enough to make the wig greasy. You don't want your wig to be greasy. I'm sorry, this light looks crazy. We're located in Culver City, California. Our website is magichaircompany.com. Yes, we're Black owned. I'm the owner. This is wig number 541. This is a 22-inch deep body wave. And I am just changing and creasing this part out. Check out our Friday 3 p.m. live show on Instagram and Facebook, where we showcase our in-stock wigs. This is unit 252. We have quite a few in stock. So go to magichaircompany.com and you will find her there. So there you go. That's how easy it is to change the part. Let me clean that up. There we go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. My name is Janice. I'm the owner of Magic Hair Company, located here in Culver City, California. We're currently open Wednesday through Saturday, 11 to 6 p.m. Check us out at magichaircompany.com. Check out our Friday 3 p.m. live wig show here on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe to our newsletter. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.